Hey fellow designers, it's Karen of Made by Karen M. Today I'm doing a little cleaning vlog. They say a clean house is a clean mind, and lately my brain has been feeling a little cluttered, so I've been really focusing on tidying up my house so that I can clear my mind and get back to a more productive headspace and get more work done. And I thought I'd share with you guys in case anyone else needs a little cleaning motivation. In this video, you're going to see me working on my bathroom, my closet, and most importantly, my sewing room, which has been a complete disaster ever since prom season ended. So I'm really excited to get it back looking like the beautiful workspace that I remember. Okay, so I'm in my closet because I need to clean my closet like real bad.
Real bad.
I got started by putting my shoes up on the shelf, and this area here needs to be organized so bad, but it's not awful. It's just this floor. This floor needs to be picked up. I got clothes to put away. Just a lot of clutter. So that's what I'm about to be working on. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossip and messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Traveling around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get more vulnerable. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. Okay, I feel so much better now. I gave myself this tip like last year when I was working on a dress and I did a time lapse, but if you need to focus, put your phone on a time lapse because it's good content and you don't want footage of yourself sitting there doing nothing or scrolling your phone for a long time. So look how I just got that done and you didn't really see me take any breaks. I feel so much better. I still have to finish cleaning my office, but I made such good progress. So here we are in my office. It looks awful, completely terrible. And I haven't spent much time in here since I finished prom season, even with the wedding dress that I just finished. I did most of that in my bedroom because I was just so sick of being in my office. But today I'm determined to make some progress on cleaning. And I bought my laptop. I'm about to hook it up to my computer monitor, probably catch up on like Real Housewives or something so that I can get into cleaning mode and yeah, hopefully make it look like a place that I want to spend time in again because I have another wedding dress to get started on this week. I get questions a lot about what tables I have in my sewing room, so I'm just gonna mention it here. So as you can see, I have two of the same table next to each other. They are Sullivan Quilters tables from Joann. I think they are somewhere around $150 to $200. But you know, Joann always has sales and coupons, so you can always get some type of discount. I had the one on the right for like, I don't know, probably 10 years. And one of the wheels had broke off, so I have it just propped up with some books. Because at first I was going to get rid of it, and then I realized, well, having two tables next to each other would be an awesome amount of workspace. So I have those two, and then on the left corner by my window, I have a desk from IKEA, which I think is like $50. I got my printer sitting on top of that. I'm wiping my desk down with Clorox Scentiva. It smells so good. It comes in this nice coconut scent. It's like my new favorite cleaning product. And there you have it. I finally have a nice, neat, tidy office and sewing space again. And now I feel more ready than ever to be productive and tackle all of my to-do list items. Thank you guys for joining me on this cleaning vlog. I hope it gave you some motivation on getting your workspaces and personal living spaces back into a tidy condition. Thanks for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in the next video.